Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Newegg promo codes in 2025. So in the first method, you will have to simply come on newegg.com, and over here you will by default see bunch of different deals and coupon codes. Like you can see that you can get up to 78% off on computer peripherals, and you can even just click on this arrow in order to get the coupon codes and the deals on your favorite items. You just have to simply scroll down a bit more to see bunch of other deals and coupon codes available. So if your item is in this list, then you can simply go ahead and add that in your cart and conclude your payment. But if you want to explore more or want to get more promo codes like these, or for additional discounts, you can just open your web browser and you need to simply search for Newegg promo codes. Now once you search for it, you will see a bunch of different websites that will give you promo codes. Like the first one is giving you $10 discount, the other one is giving you $17 discount. So you just have to simply open these websites in a new tab and hop onto them one by one. For example, I have opened these two websites for you so that you could know what you need to do. So once you are on the website, you just have to simply select the deal or the coupon code in which you are interested. For example, let's say I'm interested in this one where I can receive $60 off on my order. So you need to click on it and it will show you the currently working coupon code. So you can copy it from here, but before using it, you need to make sure that you read the offer details. Like in order to use this Newegg promotional code during checkout to get $60 off for your qualifying purchase. So there is no much details over here. So you can just redeem it directly at the time of checkout at Newegg. Whereas for the second website that we have opened, it is giving you $17 discount and $15 discount. So if you are interested in it, you can just click on the get discount option and you can activate this code or this deal, and it will automatically applied at the time of your checkout at newegg.com. So this way basically you can find your promo codes for Newegg in 2025. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.